Hello, today I'm very excited to review the rain boots for toddlers, boys and girls. In this case, I have a boy, so I chose the rocket with the stars. This is how it look in the bottom. So they have a liner. This comes off. I would like to show you. Comes right off. And the way that you wear it is you put this on your kid, and then after that, you just insert the foot in the boot and you insert the handles through the opening here. This is designed for rainy days. This is designed to the liners provide warmth to the feet, and they also can jump in the puddles, and the material is plastic. It's very easy to clean and it's great for the winter. I hope you enjoy the boots as much as my toddler does. Thank you for watching my video.